video. Movavi Clips is a free mobile app for both Android and iOS by which you can create beautiful and creative movie clips using your phone. Now about the features, when you open the app, you have the option to add videos and photos to your timeline. You can also add multiple videos and photos here. And after that, you can choose the orientation to upload the video to a different platform. Once you do that, then you'll be on the main screen. And here you have the timeline here at the bottom, and then just above it, you have the options. Some of the options are audio, voice recording, transition, video speed, and you can also add filters, logos, and stickers to your video. Now about the main functionality, it's really easy to use this app, and believe me, I edit a lot of videos on my laptop and phone, and I find this app really user friendly. So once you have added the video, you can trim the video as per your requirement or rearrange them in the timeline. And after that, you can use the options like transition, add text, and also filters if required. You can also add music to your video, and this app has its own library of audio and also sound effects. Overall, if you're starting your YouTube channel or looking for a video editor app to edit your videos on the go to share it on social media, then definitely try out this app. In the free version, you have all the essential options available, but if you want, you can also upgrade to Pro version, which will give you access to all the content and remove the watermark. And the Pro version is available on subscription, or you can also purchase the lifetime access. And if you like this app, then do check the link in the description below. The next app we have in our list is the Wi-Fi Link. Wi-Fi Link is a new app that will help you to share your Wi-Fi or hotspot with others through a very simple method. So I'm sure we all have been in this situation where your friend or guest is asking for the password, but like me, you also use one password mainly for most of the things, and it's really not that comfortable sharing the password. But with this app, you can simply create links or share QR code which they can scan with the camera and connect to your Wi-Fi. So here is my Wi-Fi network, and as you can see, I can create a link or create a QR code which I can share with someone else. And here is the QR code which is generated. Now you can also print this if you want to use it in places like restaurants, hotel, etc. So to join, just simply open the camera app of your phone and scan the QR code. And there, it will ask you to join the Wi-Fi connection. And that's it, you're connected to the Wi-Fi network. Similarly, you can also do this with the hotspot connection. The Pro version will make the app ad-free, and for this, we have 50 promo codes. So if you need one, just follow us on Instagram right now and send us a direct message with the name of this app. And we will send the promo code on first come first serve basis. Next app we have in the list is a unique app which was downloaded over 5 million times. And about this app, if you're also curious and wondering about the apps you have installed in your phone and want to know how many of them are developed by Chinese companies, then with this app, you can identify the country of origin. Here in the app, after the scanning, if you want to remove any specific app, you can do it from here. The app design is simple, but the purpose of this app, as you all know, is totally different. At the time of making this video, this app was available on Play Store, but later on removed by Google. But if you want, you can also sideload this app on your phone. For that, do check the link in the description below. Next app we have in our list is the Quick Cursor. If you have a big phone like me and find it difficult handling the phone with one hand, then this is the app you should check out. Quick Cursor introduces a computer-like cursor control with one finger. You can access it by swiping from the edge of the screen. So once you enable the app, just swipe from the edge of the screen to get the cursor. Now it will work like the mouse on your PC. Once done, you can touch out of the tracking area and the cursor will disappear. I've been using it for some time, and apart from the big screen phones, this app can be useful if your screen is broken from the top and you want to use your phone temporarily. There are no ads in the app and it's free to use. However, there is a Pro version which enables the features like floating tracker mode, customized cursor, and so on. And for this app, the developer of the app gave us 20 promo codes. So if you need one, just send us a direct message on Instagram right now. Next app we have in our list is the Action Blocks. Action Blocks is an app by Google which will help you to make your routine action easier with customizable button on the home screen. The app uses Google Assistant to perform tasks. For example, you can set up a tile which will call a specific contact. And now, instead of asking the assistant to call the person, you can simply tap on the tile. And as you can see, you can make the call using the Action Blocks. Similarly, you can create different action blocks as per your requirement. Overall, I really like the usability of the app and it works perfectly. And if you use Google Assistant to perform various tasks, then this app will be very helpful. So do give this app a try. Next app we have in our list is the Dolby On. Dolby On transforms your phone into a powerful recording tool. And in just one tap, you can record sounds, songs, podcasts with incredible audio quality. And that too right from your phone with no extra instruments and settings. Talking more about this app, the app helps you to remove background noise and you can also choose different presets according to your requirement. I have tested this app for a few days and yes, the recording quality is definitely very good and it does help you to remove background noise and do various enhancements to improve your recordings. So if you're looking for an app to record music, sound and voiceovers, then I highly recommend you to check out Dolby On. Next app we have in our list is the Wavelet. Wavelet is a wonderful app which will make your headphones sound much better with the auto equalizer. So as soon as you connect your headphone with your phone, you will get an auto EQ mode which will enhance the output. You just need to choose the headphone from the list and as of now, this app has over 2300 pre-calculated optimizations for various headphone models. In case you don't see your headphone, you can also customize the output using the legacy mode. You get a 9-band graphic equalizer with various presets. In the Pro version of the app, you can get the bass booster, tuner, and few other additional features. And for this app, we have 30 promo codes. So if you need one, just send us a direct message on Instagram right now. Next app we have in our list is the Aftertime. Do you get excited to see Facebook memories or Google Photos memories as it reminds you what happened same time few years back? Then I'm sure you will like this new app Aftertime. Aftertime allows you to write a letter to your future self. In the letter, you can predict future and set goals and see how you have done. So basically this app is a fun way to remind your future self regarding something or see how well you have done with the goals you have set to yourself in the past. And also, at the time of writing the letter, you can choose whether you want to make your letter public or private. Yes, there are public letters in the app, which you can read from here. And I must say that some of the letters are really interesting. Apart from the written mail, you can also send photos and voice notes to yourself, but that requires points. You can get these points by referring the app to your friends. For now, you can apply our referral code GadgetGeek to get 2 points. Next app we have in our list is the Prequel. Prequel is a story editing app that offers easy editing process and lot of customization option. The app is really simple to use. Just open the photo, choose the aspect ratio, and then you have plenty of filters and effects in this app. And here are the available filters in the app. And some of them are cinema, disco, grain, Lomo, film, vintage and so on. Each filter has furthermore options which you can see by swiping left or right on the screen. I really like some of the filters available in the app and I have used few of them in my stories for Instagram and Snapchat. The best part is that there is no watermark on the final image which you have saved for sharing. Overall, if you're looking for a cool filters and effects for your stories, then definitely check out Prequel. And the last app we have in our list is the Calculator Vault. Calculator Vault is a privacy protection app which helps you to hide photos, videos which you don't want others to see on your phone. The app looks like a regular calculator and the icon is also same as a calculator. Now talking more about the usage, at the time of the initial setup, you can set up an access code and whenever you enter the code and press the equal button, you will get the access to your hidden vault. And here you have your photos, videos and files which you have hidden earlier. The app is really good and will be very helpful for hiding your files. Overall, if you're looking for a file locker for your phone, then do check out this app. So that's it guys, these were the 10 best new Android apps we have found for you for the month of June. Let us know if you like them and also do tell us your favorite app of the month in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.